Hey guys, how's it going? Today I just want to do a quick review for you on the hOmeLabs Compact Countertop Dishwasher. Now before we get started, I should let you know that I actually did find a pretty good deal on this unit, and I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can check that out. So I was looking for a little compact dishwasher that I could put kind of in my man cave that I'm making near the bar area as a convenience basically, and I wanted something cheap that worked good, that looked nice, and after doing quite a bit of research, it was quite clear that this was the one to get. First off, this is nice and small and compact. It's perfect for man caves, whatever you want to call them, sports rooms, places like smaller apartments, mobile homes, anything like that that you need where space is an issue. This thing is absolutely perfect. I actually was really surprised at how many dishes it would hold for being just, I mean, I believe the dimensions on this one are about 21 and a half inches wide, 19 and a half inches deep, and about 17 and a half inches tall. It will literally fit on countertops, no problem. It's nice and lightweight. It looks very sleek. It doesn't look cheap at all. Very modern styling, very minimal. Easy to use. The controls are extremely easy and straightforward. It's got a basic 6-wash cycle on it. It's all quick connect too, which is great. You can use it for portability too. If you don't want to leave it in one place, if you want to move it around, perfect for that. Basically, you got an inlet and a drain hose. It even comes with a faucet adapter, so you can use it right out of your kitchen, connected to your faucet, which is great for like RVs, pop-up trailers, things like that. Runs on a standard 120 volt, 60 hertz US standard plug. Real easy to use, same as any other dishwasher. You load it up, you put in the detergent, and you hit go. You can do quick cycles as short as 24 minutes all the way up to full 2-hour cycles. It's also super water efficient. I mean, it uses between 1 to 3 liters of water per cycle, depending on if you're doing the short or the long cycle. So, I mean, you're talking like a little bit over a gallon for even the maximum cycle. So it's very water efficient, and it cleans the dishes actually unbelievably well. No streaking, no mess, no leftover food, things like that. I mean, it really does work really good. Like I said, perfect for small apartments, for RVs, camp trailers, man caves, bar areas. It's just very, very handy, and it's lightweight, so you can pick it up and take it anywhere, which is really cool. Anyway, if you have any more questions about it or anything like that, just leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.